The Internet of Things has made it easier than ever to set up a smart home in which you can remotely control your door locks, lights, thermostats, vacuums, lawnmowers, and even pet feeders using your smartphone and an app. It has also made it simple and relatively affordable to monitor your home from pretty much anywhere. Depending on your needs, you can go with a system that you monitor yourself or pay a subscription fee to have your home surveilled by professionals who will contact your local fire and police departments when alarms are triggered. If you're not ready for a dedicated security system, there are plenty of individual devices available that let you monitor your home from anywhere using your phone or tablet, including indoor and outdoor security cameras, video doorbells, motion sensors, and smart locks. We picked for you the best 5 security devices for your home to start your smart house journey. Number 5. Kevo Convert Smart Lock Kit. This easy-to-install replacement for your existing deadbolt gives you the ability to monitor your door no matter where you are. By giving lock-compatible e-keys to your family, friends, pet sitters, and houseplant minders, you can use the accompanying app to remotely grant or deny access to your home, as well as see who has entered your house and when. With an e-key for everyone, you can also use the Kevo Convert and the app to keep track of who has locked and unlocked your door. Designed to be on the inside of your door, Kevo Convert is a breeze to install and use. Additionally, it has a sleek and modern aesthetic to fit in seamlessly with your other home decor from the inside and keep an elegant and neat look from the outside. Number 4. Flir FX Outdoor Wireless HD Security Camera. Always have an eye on things, even when you're out, with the Flir FX Outdoor Wireless HD Security Camera. Offering unparalleled image quality, this powerful camera can connect to the cloud, giving you on-the-go monitoring access from your smartphone or other device. The Rapid Recap technology intelligently condenses the video clips taken from outside your house, so you can quickly and easily catch up on all the action without spending hours watching clips. You can also use the Smart Zone technology in the iOS app to create specific zones of interest. When movement is detected in these zones, the Flir FX camera will automatically record and store the data. Finished with high-quality two-way radio, you're able to communicate with anyone you see on the screen with a single touch of a button. Number 3. Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Instantly know who's knocking at your door with the Ring Video Doorbell Pro. Compatible with both iOS and Android devices, this intelligent doorbell uses Wi-Fi to connect to the app to give you a live view of your front door. Equipped with a wide-angle lens, the camera records an HD video so you can stay up to date with anyone or anything at your front door. The Ring Doorbell Pro can be set automatically, record and send you a notification when motion is detected. Additionally, the Ring Doorbell Pro has infrared LEDs to offer night vision. Complete with two-way audio and noise cancellation, the Ring Doorbell Pro is perfect for checking for packages and staying safe whether or not you're home. Number 2. Nuki Smart Lock. The Nuki Smart Lock is the minimalist and easy-to-install device you'd imagine the lock of the future to be. It uses your existing lock and key as it simply sits on top. The Smart Lock communication is end-to-end encrypted. Nuki's security standards are comparable with those of the online banking sector. It's a perfect solution for apartment renters who cannot make modifications to the door. Since Nuki uses Bluetooth, it can detect your phone and auto-unlock for keyless entry. In reality, that means you can walk up and simply open the door. The Nuki Smart Lock is also compatible with IFTTT, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant, so you can control it with your voice, although if you want to unlock you will need to say a PIN code. There's now a second generation Nuki Smart Lock 2.0 featuring a faster internal processor, compatible with more doors and HomeKit support. Number 1. Presence by Netatmo Outdoor Security Camera. Prevent break-ins and unnecessary damage on your property by tracking your home constantly with the presence from Netatmo. This is an outdoor security camera that has been empowered with people, car and animal detection. It will report in real time if someone is found loitering around your home, a car enters your driveway, or if your pet is in the yard. The ultra-precise alerts you receive will let you know instantly about your immediate home outdoors and whether something fishy is going around there. You can even use livestream to view your property from outside town in real time on the go. The floodlight will not only deter unwanted visitors, but light up your way as well if you happen to return home late at night. Choose your customized notifications based on your needs and start making use of this useful outdoor security camera for your home now. This covers our top 5 must-have security devices for your house. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest uploads. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.